Good morning, one and all. Today I'm going to explain one of the new topic, quadratic equations, and what is the conditions, some conditions of quadratic equation. First one is if the ratio of the roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c is m is t, then AC into m plus n whole square is equals to b square m. Okay, so this is one of the condition. How to prove this condition is, here is the given quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c. So in this quadratic equation, you know, sum of the roots and product of the roots. Sum of the roots is alpha plus beta. Product of the roots is alpha beta. That is minus b by a and c by a. That is minus x quotient by x square quotient is sum of the roots, and a constant by x square quotient is product of the roots. So here is given alpha by beta is equals to m by n. That is given condition. M is to n ratio. That is m by n. So you know the componendo and dividendo. Can I write alpha plus beta minus by alpha minus beta is equals to m plus n by m minus n by using componendo and dividendo. See, I'm taking the reciprocal of this. Alpha minus beta by alpha plus beta is equals to m minus n by m plus n. After take reciprocals. Okay. After squaring on both sides, alpha minus beta whole square by alpha plus beta whole square is equals to m minus n whole square by m plus n whole square. See, you know the one of the notation for alpha minus beta whole square. Can I write alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta by alpha plus beta whole square. Similarly, m plus n whole square minus 4mn by m plus n whole square. In this, can I write here whole divided by this cancel, 1 also gets cancelled. Simply can I write alpha beta by alpha plus beta whole square is equals to mn by m plus n whole square. After applying the product of the roots and sum of the roots, c by a by b square by a square minus b by a whole square is nothing but b square by a square, mn by m plus n whole square. C by a into denominator comes to numerator, a square by b square is equals to mn by m plus n whole square. AC by b square is equals to mn by m plus n whole square. So here AC cross multiplication, AC into m plus n whole square is equals to b square mn, hence proved. Next, one more condition. The ratio of, one more condition. If one of the root of the equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0 is nth power of the other. Then what is the condition? A power n c whole power 1 by n plus 1 plus ac power n whole power 1 by n plus 1 is equals to minus b. So how to prove this condition? Here is the given quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Then here alpha beta, here is alpha and alpha power n are the roots. Here alpha and alpha power n are the roots. One of the root is nth power of the other. Here sum of the roots alpha plus alpha power n is equals to minus b by a. And product of the roots alpha into alpha power n is equals to c by a. So your bases are equal, power should be added, n plus 1 is equals to c by a. Alpha is equals to c by a whole power 1 by n plus 1. Here is equation 1. We have to assume substituting alpha in equation 1. Here observe clearly c by a whole power 1 by n plus 1 plus c by a whole power 1 by n plus 1 whole power n, that is n by n plus 1 is equals to minus b by a, and cross multiplication here a into c by a whole power 1 by n plus 1 plus a into c by a whole power n by n plus 1 is equals to minus b. Here a into c power n plus 1 into a power minus 1 by n plus 1, okay, plus a into c power n by n plus 1 into a power minus n by n plus 1 is equals to minus b. Here bases are equal, power should be added. A power 1 minus 1 by n plus 1 into c power 1 by n plus 1 plus a power 1 minus n by n plus 1 into c power n by n plus 1 is equals to minus b. Here observe clearly, base take the LCM is n plus 1, n plus 1 minus 1. Can I write a power n by n plus 1 into c power 1 by n plus 1 plus here also, here n plus 1 is the LCM, plus n minus 1 cancel. Can I write directly 1 by n plus 1 into c power n by n plus 1 is equals to minus b. A power n into c whole power 1 by n plus 1 plus a into c power n whole power 1 by n plus 1 is equals to minus b. Hence proof. Next, one of the condition, one root of equation, if one root of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0 is double the other. One root of the equation is double the other. Then okay. Then what is the condition? Our condition is then other. Then our condition is 9b square. Sorry, 2b square is equals to 9ac. Okay. Here I prove this one. Here given equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here alpha and 2 beta are the roots. So alpha plus beta, generally alpha plus beta is minus b by a and alpha beta is c by a. So alpha is equals to 2 beta. One root is generally here alpha and beta are the roots. Okay, alpha and beta are the roots, and one condition is what? One root is double the other. Alpha is equals to 2 beta is given. So in place of alpha, can I write 2 beta plus beta minus b by a, 3 beta minus b by a, beta minus b by 3a. See, here alpha, in place of alpha, can I write 2 beta into beta is equals to c by a, 2b square is equals to c by a, b square is equals to c by 2a. So in this p substitute here, minus b by 3a whole square is equals to c by 2a. That implies b square by 9a square is equals to c by 2a. This cancel. 2b square is equals to 9ac. This is the condition, one of the condition. And one more. One more point I discuss. Okay. Here the roots are, for suppose a into 2 b minus c x square plus b into c minus ax plus c into a minus b is equals to 0 are equal. Then the roots are equal. Then 2 by b is equals to dash. See, this type of problems, first we have to check the coefficients of x square x constant. A into b minus c plus b into c minus a plus c into a minus b is equals to 0. So f of 1 should be 0. In place of x substitute 1, f of 1 should be 0. Then what is the roots? 1 comma c by a. That implies 1 comma c into a minus b by a into b minus c. Okay. C a into b minus c. These roots are equal. These two are the roots. These roots are equal means a into b minus c is equals to c into a minus b. ab minus ac is equals to ac minus bc. ab plus bc is equals to ac plus ac. b into a plus c is equals to 2ac. Okay. 2 by b is equals to a plus c by ac. That is the answer. Next, one more problem here. The same problem, one more type of problem, same model. If a comma b comma c are real, then the roots of a square plus b square of x square minus 2b of a plus c of x plus b square plus c square is equals to 0 are real and equal, then ABC are in dash. See here, then the roots are real and equal means delta is equals to 0. That means discriminant is equals to 0. What is delta? That means b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. So 2b into a plus c whole square minus 4 into a square plus b square into b square plus c square is equals to 0. Here 4b square, a plus c whole square, a square, b square plus 2ac is equals to 4 times of a square b square plus a square c square plus b power 4 plus b square c square. 4a square b square plus 4b square c square plus 8b square ac is equals to 4a square b square plus 4a square c square plus 4b power 4 plus 4b square c square. 4b square c square cancel. A square b square also cancel. Here 8b square ac is equals to 4a square c square plus 4b power 4. Taking 4 cancel, here 2b square ac is equals to a square c square plus b power 4. So this can write a square c square plus b power 4 minus 2b square ac. That implies ac, this can be written as b square whole square plus ac whole square minus 2b square ac. That is b square minus ac whole square is equals to 0. So b square minus ac is equal to 0. B square is equals to ac. This is one of the condition A, B, C are in GP. Next, one more problem. Here, alpha, beta are the roots of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. The value of a not equal 0 and c not equal 0. Here, value of 1 by a alpha plus b whole power n plus 1 by a beta plus b whole power n is equals to dash. Here alpha beta are the roots means a alpha square plus b alpha plus c is 0. That is alpha a alpha plus a alpha square plus b alpha is equal to minus c. Alpha take common, a alpha plus b is equals to minus c. A alpha plus b is equals to minus c by alpha. C in this a alpha plus b, this can I written as alpha a alpha plus b is equals to minus c by alpha. Keep in bracket. Here what is the value of 1 by a alpha plus beta? That is 1 by minus c by alpha whole power n plus 1 by, here also same, beta also root of equation a beta square plus b beta plus c is equals to 0. A beta square plus b beta is equals to minus c. Beta take common, a beta plus c is equals to minus c. A beta plus b is equals to minus c by beta. Minus c by beta whole power n. That is equals to alpha power n by minus c power n plus beta power n by minus c power n. That is nothing but minus of alpha power n plus beta power n by c power n. Okay. See, let us assume here n value I am assuming 2 for suppose to say n value is assuming 2 alpha square plus beta square by c square. That is alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta by c square. That is equals to. So here is the roots are some of the roots, you know very well. Alpha beta is minus b by a and alpha beta is c by a. that is minus b by a whole power minus b by a whole power 2 minus 2c by a by c square. That is b square by a square minus 2c by a by c square. That is a square is the LCM, b square minus 2ac in a square, here c square, a square c square. That is 1 by alpha power n 1 by a alpha plus beta whole square plus 1 by a alpha plus beta whole power n. For suppose alpha is equals to 1, if n is equals to 1, sorry, here is n is equals to 2, here is n is equals to 1, minus of alpha plus beta by c power 1, that is minus b, minus of minus plus b by s, a into c, b by ac. C, so any value of n, use the some notations. If we suppose alpha n is equals to 3, 1 by a alpha plus beta whole power 3 plus 1 by a beta plus beta whole power 3 is minus alpha cube plus beta cube by c cube. You know very well alpha cube plus beta cube is nothing but alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. Like that only have to use some notations. Okay, now one more. The roots of b minus c of x square plus c minus a of x plus a minus b is equals to 0. See, here is, if you substitute x is equals to 1, f of 1 is equals to 0. That implies b minus c plus c minus a plus a minus b is 0. All will get cancelled. The result is getting 0. What is the roots? 1 comma c by a, that is a minus b by b minus c. These are the roots. If these roots are equal, what is the condition means? 1 is equals to a minus b by b minus c. B minus c is equals to a minus b. B plus b is equals to a plus c. 2b is equals to a plus c. So therefore, a comma b comma c are in arithmetic progression. Okay, thank you.